This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Odyssey spark plugs. First, gather your essential tools, including a spark plug socket, extension, ratchet, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin any work. Also, ensure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns and prevent damage to the cylinder head threads during removal. Once prepared, you'll need to access the spark plugs. This usually involves removing the engine cover and possibly some other components that obstruct your view. Carefully disconnect the electrical connectors from each ignition coil, then unbolt and remove the coils themselves. With the coils out, use your spark plug socket and extension to loosen each spark plug. Turn counterclockwise until they are free, then lift them out. Now it's time to install the new spark plugs. It's a good practice to apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new plug. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head over time. Carefully hand-thread each new spark plug into its port to avoid cross-threading. Once snug, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified setting, often around 13 foot-pounds, for optimal performance. With all new spark plugs installed and torqued, you can begin reassembly. Reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they click firmly into place and their electrical connectors are secure. Replace any other components you removed for access, and finally, secure the engine cover. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Honda Odyssey and listen for smooth engine operation, confirming a successful spark plug replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.